911, what's the location emergency?
Yes, pretty sure I just got robbed, today. Some of my guns are missing and everything.
Okay. And, what is your address?
It's Pratt Court, Plano, Illinois.
Okay. And, do you have, like, signs of forced entry in your home?
Yeah, I just noticed it right now.
Alright, how many of them are missing?
That I don't know yet because I didn't take inventory, but I know a shotgun is missing.
Okay. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and have our officer...
Hey!
Hello? Hello?
601 garage door just opened. Vehicle started in the garage. Hey, please stop! 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 Got a 28 Edward Bravo, Edward Boy 20606, 20606. Stop!
Kim Jump 721, we got a male down, gunshot wound. Roll medics to the house, please.
Male down, gunshot wound, rolling medics to the residence.
We're still eastbound 34, we're approaching Bristol Ridge Road. Speeds are going to be 55 miles per hour. Subjects possibly armed and dangerous due to the home invasion. Unknown occupants.
Please fire! Just fire! Just fire! Don't move! Don't move! Don't move!